If you're facing an iPhone 15 Pro Max LCD problem, in this video, we share the complete iPhone 15 Pro Max LCD solution with a 100% tested repair method. Many users face issues like no display, black screen, white display, flickering screen, lines on LCD, or touch not working properly. This tutorial will help you repair the issue step by step. We will cover iPhone 15 Pro Max LCD problem solution, iPhone 15 Pro Max no display fix, black screen or blank display solution, LCD backlight ways and jumper tested, display IC and connector checking, hardware repair tested method. This guide is specially made for mobile repair technicians, hardware engineers, and iPhone repair experts who want to learn how to solve the iPhone 15 Pro Max display problem at board level. By testing the LCD connector, backlight filter, jumper points, and display IC, you can quickly fix the issue. If your iPhone 15 Pro Max LCD is not working properly, this video gives you the tested solution to repair it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone repair tutorials, including charging solutions, Face ID problems, network issues, mic, speaker, ringer, and dead phone solutions.